Here we are demonstrating the installation of a water-retaining collapsible dam and weighted shower curtain for barrier-free curbless showers. Before we get started, it is important to note why water-retaining accessories are a smart choice and a necessity in smaller spaces. All barrier-free showers are, by definition, barrier-free or curbless, with a gentle slope to the drain. The size and depth of a barrier-free shower often determine the shower area's capacity to retain water. Collapsible dams are particularly well suited for bathtub replacement-size showers that have narrow depths, usually around 32 inches. Collapsible water dams are soft and flexible underfoot, yet durable enough to stand up to robust commercial applications. When paired with heavy tape-weighted curtains, that is, curtains that have weights sewn in every 2 inches along the bottom seam, these accessories provide safety and assurance by preventing water from escaping your shower. Open the package and check to see if you have received the following: white collapsible dam, 1 pair of finished end caps, installation instruction manual, heavy tape-weighted shower curtain. Prior to installation, stretch out the dam, allowing it to acclimate to room temperature. Warming the material will allow it to return to normal shape, relieving kinks or compressions caused by packaging and shipping, rendering a smoother installation. The majority of barrier-free showers come with radius or square corners where the wall meets the floor. Both installation processes will be shown in this video. Determine which application you have and install your dam accordingly. For barrier-free showers with radius corners where the wall meets the floor, the dam will need to travel up the wall approximately 1 to 3 inches and will then be finished with round caps as shown. The triangular design allows the dam to travel up the vertical wall surface on each side of the shower without kinking. This maximizes the effectiveness of the weighted curtain at the corners where the majority of water escapes the shower. Since all showers are different, you'll want to order the length of dam that allows approximately 1 to 3 extra inches for the dam to travel up each sidewall. In other words, you would need to add 2 to 6 inches to the inside dimension measurement of your shower. Determine where you want the dam to go. The surface area to be adhered to must be chemically cleaned and void of dust. Clean and prepare the entire surface of the threshold. Apply denatured alcohol liberally on a clean, dry cloth and wipe threshold surface area thoroughly. This step is paramount to a proper long-lasting adhesion. For best results, it is helpful to draw or snap a temporary line as a visual guide. Peel back the adhesive cover strip approximately 6 to 8 inches. The installer will apply to the flat surface beginning at the selected height on the vertical wall surface of the threshold, following the feature line where the interior slope begins as a guide. Press the dam firmly in place. Continue pulling the adhesive cover while gently stretching the dam and pressing into place along your visual guideline until you come to your desired height on the vertical wall. Measure, cut, or trim to identical height as opposite wall for a symmetrical fit and finish. Apply 100% white or clear silicone adhesive caulk in both sides of the cap channel as shown, and press cap into place. Make sure you have a consistent waterproof seal between the cap and the wall. Carefully use clean rag and alcohol to wipe away excessive caulk, and be sure the adhesive on the caps have ample time to cure before they are flexed or disturbed. Repeat all steps previously shown for the radius corner showers, except the cap and dam will start out pressed firmly against the one wall. Here you want to pull the dam until it touches the opposite wall. Then cut the dam approximately 1/2 inch from the vertical wall, giving room for the finished end cap. Apply 100% white or clear silicone adhesive caulk in both sides of the cap channel as shown, and press the cap into place. Carefully use clean rag and alcohol to wipe away excessive caulk, and be sure the adhesive on the caps have ample time to cure before they are flexed or disturbed. Now it is time to install the weighted shower curtain. Weighted curtains are a necessity for water control success in barrier-free showers. To properly install a weighted curtain, The bottom seam must make contact with the shower floor. Curtain and dam should look as shown when complete. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the most effective water-retaining combination for barrier-free showers available.